even though at the end of the school year you kind of think to yourself like, ugh, I need a minute before I go and I think about teaching some more, this is the best time because I'm fresh off the teaching year. Okay, I know that I get super jazzed about a lot of things. That's just my personality, but I have never been so jazzed about professional development. I keep saying the word jazzed, which is not making this less awkward, but anyways. Welcome back to the Caffeinated Classroom and to a very special vlog straight to you from Lexington, Kentucky. That's right, I am at the Keeping the Wonder workshop. I just got in. I just checked into the hotel. Kind of a very long day of traveling, as you can kind of see by my like bloodshot eyes. Gonna need to go and get my hands on some eye drops right now, but I am so excited. I'm gonna be presenting on one of my very favorite things of all time. You hear me talking about it all the time on this channel. Building community in the classroom, how to build community in the classroom using some tried and true theater games, not really games, but like theater activities that I have modified and developed from my days as a drama teacher and brought into the English classroom, and different ways to get students like really talking to each other and like practicing those listening and speaking skills and having true organic conversation, which leads to collaboration and all of that wonderful good stuff that we want our kids to be able to do. I have activities that help build those skills and practice those skills in our students' classroom lives. I am super pumped. You're gonna see some things that look a little bit familiar from my display, but don't worry, I won't give everything away. So if you like what you see here in this vlog and like the different things, I'm just gonna show you some sneak peeks of some different things at the live workshop. You can still get your hands on all of the different material and the different content you're seeing from the presenters that are at the live workshop through the virtual workshop. If you go to keepingthewonder.com, or if you just click on the link down at the bottom of this video, I have a feeling you guys are really going to like it. I'm gonna go in just a few minutes actually, I think, and meet up with some of the presenters. So I'm gonna get myself all cleaned up, and I cannot wait to show you guys around and take you along for the ride. So let's see if I can do something about this, and then I'll get to it. All right, you guys, good morning. Today's the day. I have my presentation in my hands. Doesn't look like much right now, because it's just a poster covered with black paper. But I am heading my little self right across the street to a Starbucks because it's the right thing to do. It is beautiful. Lexington, Kentucky, downtown is gorgeous, and it's like really clean and sweet. And I'm used to downtown San Diego, which is definitely clean, but not sweet in some areas. Not that clean too. Anyways, super excited. I'm gonna go set up, and I cannot wait for you guys to see how amazing this venue is. This is so cool. About to begin, and we are letting people in. Everybody want to say hi? Hi! We are now, you guys. YouTube famous! Woo! We are pretty excited. People are arriving, and the magic is going to begin soon.
So open up your folder, and there's an article in there, and it says Renaissance on it.
Can I have somebody start? Yeah. You want to push this one down? Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay.
I was thinking maybe your secret one was man.
Oh God, the opposite. Now I need to draw it.
Hang on 1 second. I am so embarrassed. I'm really sorry.
Please listen carefully. We need your help. The only surviving artifact of William Shakespeare's original handwriting has been stolen. We're contacting the people in the Wonder Workshop because we believe these wonder-filled English teachers are the only ones who can help us solve this mystery. Make haste. We don't have much time.
Okay, so we are starting an escape room by Jenna Copper, and it is the coolest thing. Like, she had this whole recording happen, like we are in it. I think a representative of Shakespeare himself was speaking to us through the ether of time. No, it's like so cool. And we've got some pretty incredible sleuths on the case. You guys, I can't keep talking to you. I have to go. I have a lot of things to do. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Keep working. You can do it.
We can work together. She's already solving the puzzle. I didn't even read it. I don't even know what's happening, and she's almost done.
I just did my little presentation. We had a whole exhibit and a bunch of us were presenting all at once, and the energy in here was so cool. But I wanted to show you guys my little presentation space. I got to talk about, like I told you, my favorite things: building community, using theater, getting kids talking to each other. And we had some like amazing conversations like between myself and other educators who were here who had the best ideas. I am rah-rah cheerleader today. So excited about all of this. But here, I want to show you my little space. So I've got it all set up. I had like footage of my students actually doing the activities I'm talking about, playing here, and I've got a little rundown of I did 2 lesson plans. There's me. So we are just breaking for lunch right now, and then we are going to have some more in-depth sessions after the lunch break. And this is like, even though at the end of the school year you kind of think to yourself like, ugh, I need a minute before I go and I think about teaching some more, this is the best time because I'm fresh off the teaching year. I just got done with graduation last week, and I'm like ready. I have the energy to start really mulling some things through and working on stuff all summer.
Know that every student in the room has answers. My students who struggle have answers that they're proud of.
We did different stations, and you guys know stations are the key to keeping kids moving. We heard about it a little bit, and keeping them active.
On your card, you'll notice that you have random words, right? So what your job is you become the seller.
So for students who are really intimidated by poetry, that's sort of a way for them to access it. So I think integrating video is also really great. And not you taking all these other concepts, awesome. Any other ideas? So here's the users. You're going to come up to the big suitcase, and I'm going to give you a little suitcase that is inside. In each suitcase, there are 5 very random items. And
You guys, I am back in my hotel room. Today was so amazing, and like, okay, I know that I get super jazzed about a lot of things. That's just my personality, but I have never been so jazzed about professional development. I keep saying the word jazzed, which is not making this less awkward, but anyways, like, this is how Teacher PD should be. This is it, a workshop style, learning tangible, like actual things that if I was teaching tomorrow, I could go with some of the material that I just heard about. Because mind you, when I was presenting, I didn't really like sit down and get to hear most of the presentation. So I'm gonna have to like catch up in another way. But even the little snippets that I did hear, I could take this and apply it tomorrow. Oh, I'm not teaching tomorrow, I'll be on an airplane. But like, I could do that. And that is how our professional development should be. And I'm hoping that this is the beginning of the wave of the future. And a bunch of us got chit-chatting after the fact, just like attendees and presenters, that like things like this are like percolating, right? It's like bubbling below the surface. And I think that we will sooner than later have more opportunities within our profession for these sorts of learning and professional development days, you know, multiple days, whatever it is. I think it's the wave of the new conference to have it workshop style and to have it be led by people who are innovating in their classrooms, because I was just with a group of innovators in the classroom who are so inspirational and like creative, and I feel so energized, and I just got out of school last week. So like this is a very new experience for me to be so excited to go back into the classroom. If you saw my vlog last week, you saw that I was already excited to go back into the classroom, and now I'm like chomping at the bit. I, of course, read through an entire book on the travel here, and it's part of like my summer book stack, which is all books that I'm gonna be doing in like lit circles and book clubs with my students next year. And now I can't wait to put it all together and bring it to life with some of the things that I've learned. It's just so cool. So we're all gonna meet up in just a little bit for dinner. And I'm all fouled up because I am 3 hours back, right? So like if it's 6:30 here, it's 3:30 for me. So I'm all over the place, but I can always eat. Your girl can always eat, let me tell you. And we're just gonna kind of like hang out and debrief a little bit of the day, and I'm sure we'll start talking shop. I need to just eat some red vines and go night-night for a minute though. So. Good morning. I am so sad to say that my time in Lexington is coming to an end. A bunch of us tried to meet up for breakfast this morning and it just like didn't work out because yesterday was an extremely full day, physically and emotionally. I feel like there's so much more that I still have to unpack because I didn't even get to see everybody else's presentation, like I said, because we were kind of helping and like a bunch of us were presenting all at one time. There's just so many cool ideas to bring fun and wonder and just like excitement into your classroom, if nothing else for ourselves, right? Because when we're excited about something, that bleeds into the space of our students, and then they in turn get kind of excited. It's super loud because Lexington has come alive this morning, but I'm just standing in front of Shakespeare & Company. It's a really cool restaurant. If you ever have a chance, if you're in Lexington, you should come check it out. I need to get my butt to the airport. I have my coffee, I've packed everything up, and I'm all checked out, and it's ready. I'm ready to rock and roll. So, San Diego, here I come. All right, I am happy to report that I safely made it home. A couple people were pretty excited to see me, and I was excited to see them as well. So we are just going to hang out. I'm gonna decompress a bit. I am on a weird, Woody is here, I'm on a weird time thing going on in my head with jet lag and stuff. So we're just gonna hang out this evening. If you guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and sign off with you guys right now because I think there are a couple little munchkins that need my attention. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said before, get your hands on the virtual Keeping the Wonder ticket because it's sincerely worth it. Thank you guys again for watching. If you've not already subscribed, take a second to do so, and I will see you guys next time. Whoa, there she goes. Say bye.